Hi everyone, this is Vishal from Recon Academy. Today I'll be sharing some insights about the current state of trend of Nifty Spot. Currently we are looking at the weekly time frame of Nifty. What we can see that the market has corrected almost from the highs of 12,103 to the lows of 11,118. Now we can see that Nifty weekly chart, stochastic oscillator, first of all, which is evident that the stochastic oscillator has gone into the oversold zone. All right. RSI is still trading at 40.89 or 41 levels roundabout, but stochastic oscillator seems to be oversold. That is the first thing which we can see. Second thing which is evident is that Nifty is now trading at a 38.20% Fibonacci retracement of this entire rally from the lows of 10,000 to the highs of 12,103. All right, so this is the 38.20% Fibonacci retracement, and this is an important support. All right, so this is what was evident in the weekly chart. Now we need to go to a smaller time frame, which is the daily chart, and we need to find some insights over there. So the first insight which we can see is in my Twitter handle, I had clearly mentioned that markets can fall up till 11,100 and that target has been achieved yesterday. Today we saw the markets going below even that particular level. Now the levels of 11,100 are considered to be extremely important support. So if market starts to close below 11,100 or even 11,000 to be specific, if market starts closing below 11,000 levels and sustains for maybe 1 or 2 days, then we can see market drifting even lower, maybe 200 to 300 points. But if this level holds on, the level of 11,100 holds on, then it will be a very big question that a swing trader, especially a short-term trader, a swing trader, which is holding positions for 1 to 5 or 1 to 6 days, should go short at this level or not. According to me, according to my personal analysis, I would say no. And the reason for that is when Nifty broke 11,400 levels, this was a very good level to go short because you can see after the first drop in Nifty, we saw a little bit of pullback. And after a pullback, then Nifty started falling. So when we closed below 11,400 levels, this was a very good time to go short. People tried and captured 200 to 300 points on the short position. But now the daily chart, if you can see properly, the RSI is already in an oversold zone. The stochastic oscillator is already showing signs of oversold zone. No doubt that the trend is down because currently the prices are below this 50 days simple moving average. So the trend is down. But the question is, do we have a very favorable risk reward ratio when we are at a very good support in the daily chart, in the weekly chart, plus we are oversold also? The answer is no. Yes, if you are holding a short positions since 11,400 or something, I would suggest to book at least 50% minimum. Book minimum 50 to 60% in your short positions because if we have a pullback, your trailing stop losses might get hit. You might book out your profits and exit your short positions. But just because you haven't been able to sell Nifty at higher levels, it does not mean you will go and sell over here because FOMO means fear of missing out is a very deadly stuff in trading because if you miss a trade in any trading instrument, whether futures or options or cash, do not be afraid because market opens every day at 9 a.m. and it closes at 3:30 p.m. You will have new trades. Wait patiently. When the trade setup is right, when the risk reward ratio is in the favorable of a trader, that is the time to go short or long in the market. So again, I will repeat from my side, it's not a very good level to go short. If you have old short positions, book 50% over here and keep trailing your stop losses. So in case if there is a pullback, your trailing stop losses will get hit and you will be able to book your profits and get out of your short positions. Now, in case if we have a pullback, what are the levels which we can expect on the upside in case if we have a pullback. According to my analysis, if we have a pullback, the first level which Nifty needs to surpass is possibly 11,170, 11,200. If this level is taken off, we might see a small pullback till 11,250, might be 11,350, or maybe around 11,430. So these are the pullbacks level which I'm giving. And that's all from my side in Nifty Spot today. In my next video, I'll try to share something even more interesting. Till then, trade well. And be very sure that you consistently trail your stop losses in the current market scenario. Thank you.